Hello and welcome back to my channel, Breathing Gratitude in association with 360 Degrees Solutions. This is Dr. Arthur Gomes, Master Practitioner, Life Coach and Mentor. Now today I bring you another money attraction technique and it's called reshuffling your money notes. Yes, reshuffling your money notes can help you attract more money. Let me show you how. Okay, join this video, and before you can forget, do subscribe for this so that you get all my videos right in your inbox notifying you. Let's go ahead with the process and understand how reshuffling of money notes will help me attract more money. Okay, pay attention because there is a step-by-step process. All my videos have that. Now, when you have money with you like this, you see, you would normally keep your money like this. Okay, don't stack it up and keep it in one place for a long time. Remember, don't stack it and keep it like this for a long time. This way the energy gets saturated. In between, you would like to shuffle your notes, the top one down, the bottom one up. Just keep shuffling them. You see the way I'm doing it? Just keep shuffling them. Just get notes in between, get them up, get them down, get them in between, put one here. Just switch. Learn to be able to do the switch with these notes. Right? You shuffle cards, playing cards, so you can shuffle these as well. I don't play cards. I've never played that in my life, so I have no clue how to shuffle cards. But yes, I do know how to shuffle these wonderful notes in my hand. Okay, so here is the example of how you can shuffle your notes. I am showing it to you live so that you know exactly what is happening, and you can see they're all in different order. Okay, so reshuffling of your notes. Now, when you do something like this, when you're reshuffling your notes, you ensure that the notes don't stay in that position for a long time, because they park their energy over there. And when they park their energy over there, that energy is not moving. You want your energy to move. You want your energy to multiply. After all, money is solidified energy that helps you meet your needs and wants. Now, by doing something like this, you are ensuring energy of money is evenly distributed among these positions, whether it's in your cash wallet, whether it's in your drawer, or whether it's the place where you keep cash. Now, what we are doing here is you are making room for money. You're not ensuring that this money stays here only. You're ensuring there is room for money. You're ensuring that you can receive money from anywhere, which technically means you are now preparing yourself to receive money from multiple sources, isn't it? Now, when you prepare to receive money from multiple sources, isn't that something good for you? Great. So, you need to be in the right state of mind for this. So, what kind of state of mind do you need to be while doing this particular exercise? You must be aligned with the vibration of prosperity. I'll repeat that again. You must be aligned with the vibrations of prosperity and not lack. Now, while shuffling the notes, just enjoy this journey, have fun. Do it like one nice little fun activity. At the same time, you're shuffling your notes. Believe that all the shuffling that you're doing right now, all that money is going to come back to you soon and manifold. Now, this exercise of reshuffling the notes is helping you reprogram your subconscious mind. And what is it doing by reprogramming your subconscious mind? It's helping you to be in sync, to receive the energy of money heading your way. It is helping you to be in sync, to receive the energy of money heading your way. Now, once this is done, let go. Don't keep thinking of when, why, what, how. Done, let go. Do this, I am saying, with absolute faith, feelings, and focus, the 3F methodology. Now, when you do this with faith, feelings, and focus, you know for a fact there's a strong belief inside that yes, this is coming to me only. You can find my videos on LinkedIn, Facebook pages, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. Do like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon to receive more of such money attraction videos right where you are so that you don't miss out. And if there's any particular video that you would like me to bring to you, do let me know in your comment section, or you can even WhatsApp me and I'll make sure that I bring that to you. Now, there's one thing I want to tell you before I go is any money attraction technique that you do, you have to do it to enjoy it. You have to do it with the vibration of prosperity. When you do it with that vibration, you are doing the right process. Okay? So thank you so much for watching this video. Do stay safe, wear your mask, keep sanitization as your top priority, and I'll come back with more such videos. Until then, you take care of yourself and have a lovely day ahead. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye. Tada.